Yeah.
Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we are tackling a common problem, drowning in lengthy PDFs. We will show you how to quickly summarize these documents and extract key insights with just a few clicks. Before we dive in, let's make sure you have the right tools on hand. First, you will need the Microsoft Edge browser. It's already pre-installed on most Windows machines, but you can download it for free if you don't have it. Next, you will need a Microsoft Outlook email address. If you don't have one, you can create free account. Finally, you will need a sign up for a service called Microsoft Copilot. Don't worry, these are all free and easy to set up. Last but not least, grab a PDF document you would like to summarize and save it to your computer. Alright, with everything ready, let's jump into the process of summarizing your PDF and finding those key insights. Now, let's begin how to summarize PDF in single click. First, initially I downloaded in my desktop, then right click on PDF, tap on show more options, tap on properties, then change to Microsoft Edge. Then set as default, click on apply, then press OK. Now open the PDF document. Open the PDF document. Then scroll down till you have to know how many pages of data is available in the PDF. So that I am scrolling it down. It's near about 14 pages. I downloaded this PDF from Adobe site. How to summarize this? Just right click on the Copilot icon on top right corner. Then click on generate key insights from this document. Tap on got it. Now wait for a minute so that Copilot will give response to
you. Yeah.
Now it is generating. Title and keyword options.
Yeah. Here we go.
Then content representation. Then inclusivity and accuracy and keyword specificity. These data all will help in for the image titles and keywords. And that's it. You have successfully summarized your PDF and extracted key insights with just a few clicks in Microsoft Edge and Copilot. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel for more productivity hacks, and don't forget to like this video to show your support. Thanks for watching.